I was poking around your website last night. 8 words, no access, no deck, no pitch, just 20 minutes with a free tool the night before, and now you're the most credible person they've talked to this month before they've handed you a single login. Today, I'm showing you the 3 tests that make that possible. Here's what most people get wrong about prospecting. They show up trying to be the answer. They build the deck, they prep the proposal, they have the solution ready before they've even had the conversation, and the prospect can smell it. Nobody wants to hire an agency. Nobody wants to feel dependent on somebody they just met. But everyone wants to look smart in front of their boss. They want to feel like they already knew something was off and now someone just confirmed it. Your job isn't to fix anything. Not yet. Your job is to show them something they couldn't see themselves. Give them that information. Stay quiet and let them arrive at the conclusion on their own. That's the whole game. I'm Jeff Sauer. I've spent 20 years building analytic systems for agencies, training thousands of marketers, and sitting across the table from prospects exactly like yours. I've been running this play since 2006. It works now, and it's never been easier than it is today. If that already sounds useful, hit subscribe. This channel is exactly this every single week. So here's test 1, and this one requires nothing from the client. No access requests, no awkward email asking for logins. You run this before the call on your own in about 15 to 20 minutes using free tools that are sitting right there in your browser. Now here's my stack for this. First, Wappalyzer. Free Chrome extension, 1 click, and it shows you every technology running on their site. Analytics platforms, tag managers, ad pixels, all of it. You know their entire tracking setup before you said a word to them. Second, Ghostery, also free. This one shows you every tracker firing on any page in real time. What's loading, what's blocked, what's broken. Third, if I want to go deeper before I even visit the website, I'll run them through BuiltWith at builtwith.com. I use their technology profiler. No extension needed, just plug in their URL and it tells you exactly what they're running. And if I really want to get into it, Chrome DevTools, the network tab, filter by Google or Facebook or Analytics, you can see exactly what's firing versus what should be firing. It's built into every version of the Chrome browser and it's free forever. Here's why this matters more than people realize. 81% of GA4 migrations have misconfigured events and tracking gaps. 81%. So, statistically, before you've even run a single test, the odds are already in your favor that something's broken. Run the scan, screenshot what you find. That's your homework. And when you show up and say, I was poking around your website last night, you've got receipts. You're not guessing. You're showing them a screenshot of their own broken setup. And then I'll paste my findings into an AI prompt and get a plain English summary of exactly what's wrong in about 90 seconds. No jargon, something I can share on screen mid-conversation without the prospect's eyes glazing over. Now here's what this does psychologically. You've just demonstrated that you know their business better than they do before they've given you anything. And now, naturally, comfortably, they want to show you more. That's how you earn the ask for GA4 access. Not by requesting it, by making them want to hand it to you. Now if you want the full diagnostic system behind this, all 10 points, the completed framework, comment XRAY below and I'll send you the details. So now they've seen the tag audit and they're leaning in. And at some point in the conversation, naturally, without pressure, I'll say, hey, would you be open to letting me take a quick look at your GA4? I want to show you something. And here's the tool I use to make that frictionless. Leadsy. The prospect clicks 1 link, grants read-only access, and I can revoke it when we're done. No sharing passwords, no IT ticket, no friction. That matters because any amount of friction kills the momentum you've just built. Once I'm in GA4, the test takes about 3 minutes. Pull the conversion count for the last 30 days, write that number down, or use AI to get that done. Then ask them, how many actual sales or leads or form fields, whatever your conversion is, did you get in the last month? And they'll tell you, and when they do, compare those 2 numbers. The gap, that's the invisible conversion problem, and in my experience, that gap is usually 30 to 50%, meaning GA4 is only seeing half to 2/3 of what actually happened. Think about what that means for every decision they've made based on that data. Every budget call, every channel they scaled up or killed, every report they sent to their boss or their board. It was all built on a number that was missing 1/3 of the picture. 47% of marketing budgets are wasted on bad attribution. That's not a rounding error. That's almost half of every dollar they're spending, optimized against data that was never accurate to begin with. Now here's what I do not do at this point. I don't launch into a fix. I don't start explaining solutions. I let the gap sit there for a second because they're already doing the math. Drop your gap number in the comments when you run this test. I want to see how big the difference is between your GA4 data and reality. And then usually, without me saying anything, they ask, so where is that number going? That's the question I'm waiting for, because now I can show them test number 3. This is the one that makes people's jaws drop, because test 2 showed them data they were missing. This one shows them data they were counting twice, sometimes 3 times. Here's what I ask for now. Read-only access to their ad platforms, Google Ads, Meta Ads, whatever else they're running. Same frictionless leadsy click, one click, read-only. They can revoke it whenever. And once I'm in, the test is almost embarrassingly simple. Pull the conversion numbers from each platform for the same 30-day window we used in test 2. Google Ads says X, Meta says Y, maybe LinkedIn says Z. Add them up. Now compare that to total actual sales. Every single time, the platform total is 2 to 3x reality, because every platform takes credit for the same conversions. Google says it drove the sale, Meta says it drove the sale. They're both counting the same customer. And the client has been looking at those numbers and thinking their marketing is working great. This is where I'll often bring up something that stopped me cold when I first read it. Google's own behavioral modeling documentation acknowledges that when users deny consent, Google fills in the gaps by guessing. Their word, essentially. They model the behavior, so not only is attribution double counted across platforms, part of what you're seeing isn't even real data. It's a statistical estimate dressed up as a conversion. Now here's where AI earns its place in this workflow. Pulling this data manually, logging into each platform, exporting, building a comparison spreadsheet, used to take hours. With AI and MCP servers, I can connect to multiple ad accounts and run the full comparison in minutes. I'm not doing spreadsheet math, I'm reviewing a summary that's already done the work. PwC just reported that 56% of CEOs say they're seeing no meaningful ROI from AI, despite spending an average of $1.9 million on it. And I'd bet most of those companies are feeding AI tools data that looks exactly like what they've been looking at today. Garbage in, confident sounding garbage out. Clean data isn't nice to have, it's the whole game. And by the time I've walked a prospect through all 3 of these tests, they're not thinking about whether to hire me. They're thinking about how fast can we start. So that's the 3-test progression. Test 1, tag audit. No access required. 15 minutes the night before, you show up knowing more about their setup than they do. Test 2, invisible conversions. GA4 access, 3 minutes, 1 question. The gap between their data and reality does the selling for you. Test 3, double counting. Ad platform access, 1 comparison. Every platform is lying to them, and now they know it. Each test earns you the next one. And by the end, you're not a vendor they're evaluating. You're the person who finally told them the truth. Now, if you want to know where your data stands right now, I built a free 2-minute tracking scorecard. 10 questions, you get the score out of 30 and your single highest priority fix. Link is in the description. And if you want the full system, all 10 diagnostic points, the complete framework I use with clients, the AI workflows, comment XRAY below and I'll send you the details. Link is also in the description. If this is useful, subscribe. This is what I do every week. No fluff, just the stuff that actually works when you're sitting across from a client who needs somebody to tell them the truth about their data. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.